All right, the news that we're tracking, India is likely to give its nod for the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine Covishield today. The subject expert committee, which is a top vaccine panel, will be holding a meeting today to decide on Serum Institute of India's application for emergency use. Sources say Covishield is likely to get the approval today for emergency. This comes after Britain became the first country in the world to approve the coronavirus vaccine developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca. It is a big boost for India's plan to vaccinate its population, as Pune-based Serum Institute is making the vaccine in India. Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine will lead a significant increase in vaccination, as it is cheap and easy to mass produce. Crucially, it can be stored in a standard fridge, unlike the Pfizer-BioNTech jab, which needs ultra-cold storage at -70. Normal refrigeration temperatures of 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius is enough for Oxford. The vaccine can be up to 90% efficient with half a dose in the first jab and a full dose in the second jab.
There is a lot of anticipation. We've got 40 to 50 million doses already made. We're producing more every week. And once we get the regulatory approvals in a few days, I would say, then it'll be down to the government to decide how much they can take, how fast they can take it. And we're talking about, reaching at least 300 million doses by July 2021.
My colleague Milan is joining me live with the very latest right now. Milan, what more can you add? Are we expecting the green signal today?
Well, certainly, Preeti, we will be looking at a green signal from the drug regulators in India, because the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine has just been approved today by the United Kingdom. And that was a green signal that the Indian government drug regulators were also looking at. And it is very likely that Serum Institute of India's vaccine Covishield, which has been made in collaboration with Oxford and AstraZeneca, will be getting the green signal for an emergency use authorization. The SEC meeting, that is the subject expert committee, the meeting is still going on. It's underway, and the panel of doctors will decide on the emergency use authorization today. And as soon as that's done, of course, we will be looking at good news before the year ends. We will get to know that India will also begin its vaccination drive with the vaccine that it has been preparing for several months now. Preeti.
All right, Milan, just stay on with me. I'm going to quickly take our viewers through a basic comparison on all the vaccines that we have on offer. At least they've not, till now, there is no green light to any of them, but this is the options that there are there. Now, let's quickly compare Pfizer, Moderna, these vaccines. Pfizer is a type RNA, efficacy 95%, storage at -75%. All right, let's look at Moderna. The type is RNA, efficacy 94.5%, storage is -20 degrees Celsius. And if we look at Sputnik V, which is type viral vector, efficacy 95%, and storage is a regular refrigerator temperature. Now, AstraZeneca type viral vector, efficacy 70.4%, storage 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, let's take our viewers as to why Covishield actually suits India a lot more than the other vaccines. Let's quickly take a look on that front. Number one, it's cheaper than any other vaccine right now on offer. Number two, can be stored at normal refrigerated temperatures, not at -70, like some other vaccines need a storage temperature of. Well, it doesn't need any expensive cold chain. Then easier to transport because it doesn't need a cold chain, made by an Indian firm, Serum Institute. And the big human trials are underway in India, and till now we haven't reported any reaction which is cause for concern. Let's listen it now to what the Prime Minister and other key voices earlier had said on the rollout of the COVID vaccines in India.
आप एक तरह से मानकर चलिए कि सभी कमर कस के तैयार बैठे हैं। एक्सपर्ट्स ये मानकर चल रहे हैं कि अब कोरोना की वैक्सीन के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ेगा।
So there are multiple vaccine candidates in different stages of development. and some of them may get licensed in the next few weeks, but we cannot foretell at this moment in time, because licensing or licensure or market authorization is the domain of the national regulator.
So there is no evidence that the current vaccines will fail to protect against COVID-19 on the variants reported from UK or South Africa. Vaccines क्या करते हैं, हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम को एक बड़े वाइड रेंज प्रोटेक्टिव एंटीबॉडीज तैयार करते हैं. तो इन चेंजेस से वो पूरा रेपर्टवार जो है प्रोटेक्टिव एंटीबॉडीज का, वो काफ़ी है इनके खिलाफ काम करने के लिए. So the changes in the variants are not sufficient to make the vaccine ineffective. So this is the positive reassurance.
All right, I want to cut across back to my colleague Milan, who's joining us live with the very latest. Milan, if the go-ahead is given today to Covishield, what kind of timeline are we looking at when we actually begin our vaccine drive?
Well, Preeti, if at all the necessary approvals comes across today, then it's a good news on the year-ender front. And from the first week of January itself, the Indian government will start rolling out the vaccination drive. First, vaccinating 1 crore healthcare workers in the country, the list of whom has been made for several months now. After that, the 2 crore frontline workers will get the vaccine, and post that 27 crore vulnerable category people, which is above the 50 years of age, will be vaccinated. States have created lists. It's going to be a mammoth exercise. Every state has already started their dry run processes, right from the logistics of the vaccine delivery front till the vaccine centers. We know that Delhi has one center called the Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital, where all the vaccines will be brought, and there the vaccination process will begin. Adverse effects and other such things will also be looked at by the vaccinators. Training has been going on in full swing. So the government is ready at all fronts. It's just that silver bullet, that the vaccine that they are waiting for. And today it's likely that that emergency use authorization for most likely candidate Covishield will come through, although Bharat Biotech's Covaxin will also make a presentation in the meeting. But the likely candidate could be Covishield, as they have finished their trials and they have got an approval from the United Kingdom. So it's a huge step forward for India also today, Preeti.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Milan. We're going to continue to come back to you. Let's just hope the green signal is given and everything is in place, and one can begin the vaccine drive in India. With that, don't forget to tune in at 8 p.m. for our super exclusive. First time on India Today television, our news director Rahul Kanwal got access to India's mega vaccine project at the Serum Institute. The first shot live and exclusive at 8 p.m. on India Today. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.